guys gotta let me know how the quality looks on this thing. Actually, on the record, hope you guys like this quality. My friend let me borrow his A7 III, which is like one of the best video cameras. But anyways, I ordered a spoiler. This was like $1,000. This one was almost 2K. And I got a front lift, which I'm still waiting on shipment for some reason. It's been like 2.5 weeks. That's like another K. So we dropped a couple bands, but hey, it's worth it, bro. This car's gonna look so nasty after. I mean, I probably don't even need to lower it either, but maybe someday I'll get some custom rims. But I'm hyped, I'm trying to get a full look before I start doing anything to this car. This is like pretty much all stock except the exhaust, except downpipes, you know? Sooner or later, this whole thing's probably gonna be, who knows what's gonna happen. Maybe in like 6 months I'll wrap it. This whole, what you see now is gonna be completely different. I hope so. That's the goal. Fat ass diffuser I bought, bro. Look at this thing. Shit, that's crazy. I'm gonna unwrap it right now. I don't even know what this is something. I guess it's a spoiler, and then this. What the fuck is this? I think this goes for the diffuser as well, dude. What the fuck? See, guys, we took off the OEM spoiler, but bro, this crap, this glue crap, we took off a lot, but this crap is horrible. Definitely, I wouldn't recommend doing this alone, but if you do buy the spray, the spray's kind of fire, to be honest. Without the spray, we pretty much would be screwed. Like, look at this thick freaking layer, bro. Pretty much like impossible to take off. But with this spray, it's like, fudge. I'm actually able to take off a decent amount. I have to use my freaking fingers. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like, definitely don't do this. This was a struggle, but we eventually got it. Just took like, this spray honestly did everything. Without that spray, we'll probably be screwed. But this is gonna be, where's the spoiler? That's the spoiler we brought. Disgusting. And then we got this freaking diffuser. Hopefully it goes hard with the full setup. I'm sold, dude. I cannot wait for it to go on this freaking car, bro. Let's go. Wax it off, take off some of the scratches, and then we're gonna get ready to apply that 3M tape and send that spoiler. Anyways, look what we've done. We put 2 layers of tape, bro. We're really making sure this thing does not freaking come off. Definitely a little bit of a struggle. We should have started top down, but it is what it is. Can't wait until we actually put this thing on, though. I'm hyped. Let's go.
Oh, ready for this shit, dog? Don't put it in.
I'm not.
Let's get him measuring in the air.
Yeah, of course. My corner's lined up now. You know, I'm trying to tilt down first.
I think I'm good.
Looks really good. Yeah, it looks the same.
This guy.
I wonder, did I get a good one? Does it look better how it's like the one that pops out a little bit? You know? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think it goes hard. This spoiler wasn't too much. I think it goes hella hard. Change the whole look. Like, bro, what is that? A piece of plastic. This is what should come from the freaking factory. Yeah, I'm gonna let you do that. Off this freaking crap. Pretty easy from the last video, but the issue was taking off this freaking thing. This crap was hell annoying, and it's just super tight. But this other diffuser doesn't look like it actually clips onto it, so we're just gonna clip it on and see what freaking happens now. Got the bumper on, but it's a freaking struggle. There's like a gap for some reason, but whatever, it is what it is. We're trying to put this piece on. That looks super nasty, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's a struggle, big struggle. Would not recommend it, honestly. But we're gonna use 3M tape and use these holes that go into that bumper to hold it together. We're gonna really make sure this thing does not come off. Boys, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's already nighttime, bro. You can already see that freaking nighttime, dude. It's freaking, bro. This is a struggle, but pretty much I use these like nuts. There's nuts on the other side holding the last 2 parts of the diffuser. So now we're gonna put it on and see how it looks. Go to the gas station, make a couple of clips, and then do another video tomorrow. We'll be doing some pulls, because dude, I know this thing's gonna change everything. front lip is finally done. Dude, it's not like the most, I didn't fit it on perfectly, but dude, it still looks so crazy, so aggressive. Dude, you can't say this does not look way more aggressive. This one was cheap. This was like one of the more simple ones. Because the other ones are like kind of extra, but this one, all you need is that kind of like that square look, you know what I mean? Dang, that looks crazy. I can film like a whole montage with just my phone, dude. Looks so good. And then the diffuser and spoiler. I also want to get another pair of a spoiler. There's another one I like that's kind of like more squared, a little bit longer. So I think I'm just gonna get that one too because they're not that expensive. But dude, change the whole freaking look. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dude, we put $3K worth of freaking exterior parts in this car. Definitely not worth it. It's worth it, but like, it's so worth it, but I wish I bought an exhaust instead. I mean, I did buy downpipes, which is pretty good, but what's next is an exhaust. So my next goal is to get like an Armatrix or I think it's called like Arkapovic. Some kind of, dude, that exhaust is 8.3K, bro. 8.3K. You know how insane that is? That is so expensive for no reason. Oh my gosh. Holy. This car is amazing. I love this car. I love the Hellcat more, I will be honest with you guys, just because the feeling from the Hellcat is so amazing. It's like, it feels like you're inside like a freaking, I don't even know how to explain it, you're inside like a beast. This one feels like a beast, but more like class. For some reason, my video stopped recording halfway, which I have no clue why. But pretty much what I was saying is that this car is amazing, bro. It's a whole different feel. This spot where I'm at, it's like you'll see a lot of YouTube videos, but this is like the drift central. I'm obviously not gonna send it because it's way too hot. Like, if this spot's known for it, that's where like I don't want to send it. Cause I already know the cops are here on a daily, bro. I mean, last time we came here with the meat, cops came within like 5 minutes. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to get this exhaust, guys. I'm gonna finance it, so I'm pretty freaking hyped for that. Mostly because it's gonna be worth getting it, especially for YouTube. You know, since I want to grow on YouTube and I want to take this to the next level, I need to do what a lot of people don't do, and I feel like a lot of people don't have like a good exhaust videos. Like eventually, I want to try to work with every brand. I don't even want to keep the exhaust. I just want to work with every brand. Let them send me their exhaust. I'll put it on and make a video on it. Because honestly, dude, there's not a lot of videos on these cars. Like I literally have a hard time finding a single video with like a downpipe with the exhaust I want. Like, it's so hard to find. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.